Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we make your phone easy to use. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to turn on spell check on a Samsung phone step by step so you never miss a correction again. Now let's get started. Step 1, unlock your phone and swipe down from the very top of the screen. This will open the quick panel menu, and from here tap on the little gear icon. That will take you directly into the settings menu. Step 2, once you are inside settings, scroll down the list until you see the option called General Management. This is the section where Samsung stores all the tools related to typing, language, and input settings. Go ahead and tap on it to continue. Step 3, inside General Management, look for Samsung keyboard settings. This is where you'll be able to change the features that control how your keyboard behaves while you type. Tap on it to move forward. Step 4, once you're inside the keyboard settings, scroll until you find an option called Suggest Text Corrections. This is the section that handles spell check features and helps you avoid typing mistakes. Tap to open it up. Step 5, here you'll see a section under Auto Spell Check. You'll notice a list of available languages such as English, India, or other versions of English depending on your region. To activate spell check, simply tap on the toggle switch next to your preferred language. Once turned on, your Samsung phone will automatically check and suggest corrections whenever you type. Thanks for watching Fix Your Apps, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.